A Cambodian academic has said that the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership Free Trade Agreement is becoming a key contributor to regional and global economic growth in the post-COVID-19 pandemic era. Joseph Matthews, a senior professor at the Belte International University in Phnom Penh, made the remarks in a recent interview with Xinhua. Entering into force on January 1, 2022, the RCEP comprises 15 Asia-Pacific countries including 10 ASEAN member states, Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand and Vietnam and their 5 trading partners, namely China, Japan, South Korea, Australia and New Zealand. The pact will eliminate as much as 90% of the tariffs on goods traded among its signatories over the next 20 years.
Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership Free Trade Agreement is becoming a key contributor to regional and global economic growth in the post-COVID-19 pandemic era. The world's largest free trade agreement has been giving a big boost to the regional and global economic recovery in the post-COVID pandemic era. The mega free trade agreement holds a huge potential for all participating countries to boost their trade and investment and to quicken their economic recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic. RCEP has provided a mutual, beneficial and win-win cooperation for all member countries, and it has not only promoted the regional economic integration but also underscored the firm commitment of all member countries toward multilateralism. Also, the mega free trade agreement has been playing an important role in narrowing the development gap between developed and developing countries. The RCEP China is a huge market for all participating countries, and China has also played a crucial role in converting the Asian economy into the core economic polar and promoting the multilateralism against the backdrop of the unilateralism and protectionism.
The RCEP established a market of 2.2 billion people or 30% of the world population with a combined gross domestic product of $26.2 trillion, which represents around 30% of global GDP and 28% of global trade. According to an Asian Development Bank study, the RCEP is expected to increase the member economies' incomes by 0.6% by 2030, adding $245 billion annually to regional income and 2.8 million jobs to regional employment.